So today we're gonna use some chicken wings, sour cream, ginger garlic and chili paste, garam masala, pepper powder, salt, lemon, chili paste, paprika, chaat masala and baking powder. To make a marination, I'm gonna start adding everything into a bowl. By the way, you can find the full ingredients in the description box below, guys. Oven is preheated on 390°F. We're gonna grill the chicken wings for at least 35 to 40 minutes, turning them halfway through the process. To make a buffalo sauce, I'm gonna add butter, garlic paste, and tomato ketchup. After that, fresh lime juice and a pinch of salt, some honey, paprika and chili flakes. Simmering after 2 minutes, the buffalo sauce is ready.